And we're on our way. Move to the marked area. Now move backwards. Good job. Now jump. You're doing great. Amazing. What a goal. Now take a shot. Super. Amazing goal. Let's have a practice match. What a incredible goal! You're like a hurricane. You're learning very well. What a goal! An amazing goal! Incredible goal! You're like a hurricane. An amazing match. You're on your way to being a legend. About to get underway. Good luck to both players. Tap the button to you. The player is frozen. The player is making reckless attacks. He keeps on juggling the ball before a new attack. He headed the ball towards the goal. Unlucky off the post. One goal will make. He sent his opponent to Siberia with this goal. He's sending high balls to goal. The ball is nestled into the net. We are in the final 5 seconds. The ball meets the net. The referee has blown the final whistle. Good job. You won your first match. An exciting match awaits us. The ball is up in the air. He's showing what a speedy goal in the earth. His first choice is a superpower. She headed the ball onwards. She sees the goal and shoots. What a mind-blowing goal. Perfect header. A nice header. Goal! She cleared the ball with her head. He said no to that shot. A powerful kick. Goal, goal, goal. The gap is increasing. Incredible goal. Both players are going at it hard. She headed the ball onwards. He's juggling the ball on his head. A rising shot. That's it. Beautiful strike. A shot towards the penalty area. What an amazing goal. Right into the back of the net. Is he going to shoot high or low? Great header to goal, goal, goal.